I did. All right, hit it.
Okay, so we found this a nail in this tire. So this one of the services that we do. We do tire plug repair. So it's a little nail, so you're gonna have to use different kind of tools. So I'm gonna use this one and see if I can get the nail out. But first, before we do that, we need to add some air. Need to add a little air, and now to get the that'll give it some more. The tire get hard for it.
You gotta slide it back.
Okay, and this we're using a Pittsburgh air compressor that we got from Harbor Freight. So first we're gonna start off with the air.